Hi, if you haven't been here before, welcome. I'm Tish, the Caffeinated Mess, and if you have been here before, you already know. In today's video, we are going to get into the Boxycharm Base Box, and this is my first Boxycharm Base Box on the channel, so this should be some extra fun. Gotta make sure we're caffeinated. Still upset about the there not being any creamer. Had to use milk, but we'll live. All right, so this is May 2020's base box for Boxycharm. The Boxycharm base box is $25 a month, where you get 5 full-size products, and you're always guaranteed to get a value of at least $125, and every month you get to customize one product. And this is what it looks like. All right, and so this is our box. Ooh, we got a card. Yes. It says Boxycharm Mother Nature, packed with gloves and love. And we do have the information on the back. I've actually seen so many people not receiving that information this month. And so we're just going to reach right in. And what do we have here? Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. And that is what those look like. There are, I believe, 25 wipes in here. Let's see. These Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. I mean, well, dry skin, I'll have to try that out. The value of those is $17. The next item I'm going to pull out is the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. And that is what they look like. And let's see what the card says. Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads are powered by LMS's patented tri-enzyme technology, combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet actively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion, and they are valued at $59. And of course they have their little seal there. Oh, those smell good. And of course, there are little pads here. But yeah, it's just smooth on one side, textured on the other. The next product I'm going to pull out is by Pretty Vulgar. This is what that looks like. Let's see. Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. That's awesome because I don't have very many eyeshadow primers. Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin-smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oils, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. And the value of that is $22. Now, I saw somebody was having problems with this. It does not have a safety seal. Problems with this being over their, they had gotten foundation on their eyelid, and when they tried to apply it, it pilled up. So I'm going to guess that you should make sure that there's no foundation on the lid of your eye before applying this. I'm going to have to remember that because when I apply makeup, I'm a bit messy. All right, the next item we have here. Ooh, is this Gerard Cosmetics? Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil, the lip liner of your dreams. Creamy and pigmented, yet long-lasting to help complement any lip look. $16 value. And that is a beautiful color. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right up my alley. Does anybody know how to sharpen these? Let me know. How do you sharpen these? I had one before that was like this, and it was an excellent lip liner, but I could not, for the life of me, figure out how to sharpen it. Okay, before I forget, the shade of this is Ecstasy. And last but not least, now there wasn't any foam in the box, but they did bubble wrap my palette, and it is Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited to get an eyeshadow palette. I don't actually own that much makeup. Oh yeah. It's got the cover on the mirror. And the plastic over the shades. And those are the shades. And I am really excited to get into this green one here. You know what? Let me swatch these real quick because I am definitely going to be keeping this. Let me get rid of this box here. Read you the card real quick. Violet Voss Essentials Palette. The Essentials Palette is a refreshing. Do you know how many times I have tried to say refreshing? It's not that hard. I need more coffee. One moment. Let's try that again. Okay, the Essentials Palette is a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones in breathtaking mattes and metallic finishes, and that has a $29 value. All right, we're going to swatch these. All right, we have cream, sand, terracotta, and gold. All right. Now, I've never swatched on camera before, so excuse the struggle bus. We kind of actually live there, so they're kind of flaky. Doesn't really bother me, though. Okay. That gold is really pretty. I like that. Makeup wipes. I'm going to use them. We'll see how well they work now. I didn't stop to think about what I'd wipe my fingers on after swatching. Now they're getting the colors off, so that's good. Let's see how well it works on this lip liner. Lip liner is a little bit more waxy. Worked good. They smell so good. All right. Get them dry. All right. We have Emerald, Pink, Dusty Rose, and Plum Berry. Make sure we don't swatch over the other shades there. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm going to have fun with that one. Oh, that pink. Oh, yes. That was the pink. Okay, this is the Dusty Rose. Okay, it's just the mattes that seem to be a little bit powdery here. And then this one is the Plum Berry. Oh, yeah. Okay, we got two more shades here. Next, we have Cinnamon and Black. Well, that's a nice black. Still a little powdery. All right, let's see. Again, we have cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose. That's really pretty. Plum berry, cinnamon, and black. those are nice. I cannot wait to use that. Awesome. I was really hoping I was going to get to a palette, and so many people didn't get palettes this month, so I'm really excited. Okay, so that's it for May's Boxycharm Base Box. I will leave a link in the description for you if you'd like to check it out. It is my link, so if you click through my link, I will get points or some kind of credit or something for it. I'm not really sure how that works yet. So if that's not something you feel comfortable doing, you can Google them, Boxycharm. It doesn't bother me any. It's not a big deal either way. Let's see how well this works. Okay. Okay. Nice. No staining or anything. All right. So that's it. I am going to have to like put all of this stuff like on my face. I love this box. All right. So if you liked the video or you like Boxycharm, go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. If you didn't like Boxycharm or you didn't like my video, give me a thumbs down. If you're here for the struggle that is me and you're in love with that, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out. And I really, truly hope that everyone out there, everyone watching, heck, even people who aren't watching, I hope everyone has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!